Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. How do you stake Solana using the Solflare wallet? Let's find out. Staking on Solflare is going to be a super easy process. First thing you need to make sure is you have Solana in the wallet. So the first thing we're going to do is come right over here and tap on buy. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page right here where it's going to ask you for the amount, and then it's going to ask you what service do you want to pay on. By default, it normally gives you the cheapest option, but you're welcome to select through any in this list. Finally, it will say how are you paying. You can choose debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, multitude of different ways to pay. So that is going to be the first way to receive Solana on this wallet. The second way to get Solana onto the wallet, super simple. Just come right over here to where it says receive. If you're using another device, you can scan this barcode, or come right over here, copy the address so you can copy paste it into a different exchange right here on your computer. Now that we know how to get our Solana onto our wallet, how do we start staking? Pretty easy process. We're going to come right up here to where it says stake. Once we do that, it's going to ask us how much Solana we want to stake. Just as a heads up, you normally don't want to use the full amount, because if you use the full amount and then you want to unstake, you won't have anything for the gas fee. So what we're going to do is do 0.36 Solana. We are going to verify the validator, make life easy. We're going to go with Solflare. Now the next step we're going to do is come right over here to where it says stake. We are going to tap stake. It's going to have us verify everything. We are going to confirm, and the transaction is complete. Okay, now that we're back on the main screen, we're going to see right here, Solana only $5.15. We had about $50 in there before. We're going to tap on Solana again, and we are going to see that it says staking $50, 0.36 Solana. Now, if we wanted to unstake, it's going to be a pretty easy process. So to unstake, what we're going to do is come right over here and tap on staking. Right here, it says total stake $50. We are going to tap right over here where it says Solflare, and then we're going to end up on this screen. What you want to do is come right over here to the top right where it shows the three dots, and we are going to tap on stake. It's going to ask for you to confirm. You are going to tap confirm, transaction complete, and then we are going to hit withdraw and withdrawal. We are going to hit confirm. And now that we are back on the main screen, we will see that I have my Solana back. Nice and easy peasy. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hopefully you liked it. I do want to wish and thank everyone a very happy and blessed Thanksgiving. I want to say how thankful I am for everyone with the success we've had over the last year. We've had a pretty big blow up since I was well under 1,000 subs around December of last year. And then now we're in November and we're over 2,000. So thank you all very much. I want you to know I really do appreciate it. With that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care. Spike your hair. And I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.